Hi viewers, I hope you people are fine. Today I will tell you about the transitive and intransitive verb. What are transitive or intransitive verbs? Let's come to the words or topic. The topic is transitive or intransitive verbs. The transitive verb. What is transitive verb? Those verbs which have an object are called transitive verb. Transitive verbs are those verbs which has one object that is called transitive verb. And the one object which have that is transitive verb. For example, they are playing cricket. Now one object is there. It is a transitive verb. This is a transitive verb which has one object. For example, cricket. She cooks food. She cooks food. Food is our one object. It is our transitive verb. And what is intransitive verb? Let's come to the words intransitive verb. What is intransitive verbs? Those words which does not have an object are called intransitive verbs. Mean those words which have no object, that is called intransitive verb. And the example of intransitive verb is they run. There is no object because it is intransitive verb. Before I told to you people the intransitive cases which are not changing into passive voice. Now this is our intransitive verb. Now the second example is that she cooks. There is no object. Now it is intransitive, it cannot be changed into passive voice. So this was our lecture. This was our topic, very simple topic. So kindly like and subscribe my channel. For more videos, click the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.